Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10 and let me show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to left to settings button so we can open them, and here we have to slide a little bit and find press and hold shutter button option. When we tap here we can decide between record video, burst shot and focus, so let's pick burst shot. Now when we go back to camera and tap on shutter button a little bit longer, we should take the burst shot, so let's try to use this. And as you can see here we have the countdown. We can take the series of pictures in a really fast way. The maximum number at once is 20, and this is how the burst shot works here. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.